At work for a better life, a better world for all. This company motto was written by Kazuma Tateishi, the founder of OMRON. With this short sentence, Mr. Tateishi expressed a novel concept of corporate-style public spirit that says companies should contribute to society through their operations and their management. In 1971, destiny led Mr. Tateishi to an encounter with Dr. Yutaka Nakamura of the Japan Sun Industries Social Welfare Organization. In an age when it was almost unthinkable that physically challenged people could become independent members of the community, Dr. Nakamura approached Mr. Tateishi with the idea of constructing a factory operated by people with disabilities. This is a view of OMRON Taiyo soon after it was established. Also known as the factory run by workers on wheelchairs, it was the world's first attempt to combine a private corporation with a welfare facility in the form of a factory operated by physically challenged workers. I wanted so much to pay taxes. When I received my first withholding tax statement at the end of the year, I realized I had become an independent person. I happily displayed it on my desk. These words, spoken by one of the workers, give us an idea of just how anxious many disabled people were to have jobs. This is OMRON Taiyo today, 30 years since its establishment. People report to work in wheelchairs, just like they've done every morning for the last 3 decades. In order to meet its obligations as a manufacturer, OMRON Taiyo is pouring efforts into expanding the range of each employee's work capacity. A unique skill acquisition program has been launched to prepare the workers to handle a host of jobs, from assembly and soldering to quality control. And the workers, for their part, are anxious to raise their technical skills. In order to boost their capabilities, improvements are being made to the production process without incurring additional costs. In this step, a lubricant is applied to each product. Because the operator has to hold the injector in one hand, a person like this with disabilities in both arms wasn't able to do the job. To overcome the problem, he devised an inexpensive machine that applies lubricant with the press of a button, turning it into one more job that he can do himself. This line packs tiny components into small plastic bags. The problem here was to find a way that operators with various disabilities could work together on the same job. This worker, who has a disability in her legs, can handle the entire job, placing the components into bags and sealing them. These operators who have disabilities in their arms work as a team to handle the same job. The addition of this machine, which automatically opens the bags, makes it possible for people to insert the components even if their fingers lack strength. This operator, who has the use of only one arm, seals the bags with the help of a machine. In these 30 years, the factory run by workers on wheelchairs has grown into a corporation that naturally contributes to society just like any corporation. The The experience of this factory can be actively applied to universal designs in the interest of helping to build a better world for all. In these and other ways, OMRON continues to work toward building an optimised society in which everyone is able to lead a natural life, with the viewpoint that, above all, people come first.
Sensing tomorrow, OMRON.